Hello everyone. Have you ever felt like your outfit was missing something, even though it had all the basics? In this lecture, we will explore how layering and accessories can enhance your business casual style, making your wardrobe versatile and polished. In the end, you will know how to use layers and accessories to create balanced professional outfits that suit a variety of settings. Get ready. After completing this lecture, you will be able to apply layering techniques to add depth and adaptability to your outfits. Select accessories that complement your business casual attire without overwhelming it. Use layering and accessories to enhance the versatility of your wardrobe. Let's start by understanding what is layering. Layering is a great way to make business casual outfits adaptable to different settings and temperatures. Adding layers not only keeps you comfortable but also gives your outfit a more refined look. For business casual, think of layers that are easy to add or remove, such as blazers, cardigans, and vests. Each of these pieces adds depth without making the outfit too bulky. Fashion consultant Tim Dever suggests that layering allows you to dress up or down easily, making it ideal for business casual settings. A blazer over a button down shirt, for example, adds a formal touch, while a cardigan gives a relaxed yet professional feel. The key is to keep layers well fitted so they do not appear sloppy. Let's go over a few common layering options and how they contribute to a business casual look. A structured blazer is a classic business casual piece that can instantly elevate your outfit. Choose a neutral color like black or navy so it pairs well with different shirts and pants. Cardigans offer a softer look than blazers and can work well in a more relaxed office environment. A fitted cardigan over a blouse or a button down shirt is comfortable and polished. A vest, especially a wool or a knit vest, can add a touch of style to your outfit without the full coverage of a blazer. Vests work well over shirts and under jackets, making them versatile for different temperatures. Let's talk about Jamie, who worked in a marketing firm with a casual yet professional dress code. She invested in a neutral colored cardigan that she would wear over a blouse or a button down shirt. The cardigan turned out to be incredibly versatile. She wore it to team meetings, over her desk at work, and even during client calls. The cardigan kept her comfortable and she noticed that it made her outfit look more put together. The moral? A single versatile layering piece can add polish and adaptability to your wardrobe. Accessories are a great way to add personality to a business casual outfit without going overboard. When accessorizing, keep it simple and intentional. Each item should complement the outfit without distracting from it. A few classic accessories for business casual include watches, belts, and understated jewelry. Business etiquette expert Barbara Patcher explains that accessories should complete an outfit, not compete with it. She recommends using one or two small accessories to create a polished look without overwhelming the overall outfit. Here are some standard accessories that can enhance a business casual outfit. Watches. A classic watch adds a sense of professionalism and shows attention to detail. Choose a simple, elegant design that complements your style. Belts. Belts help create a defined look by giving structure to your outfit, especially with tucked in shirts or pants. Stick to neutral colors like black, brown, or beige to maintain versatility. Jewelry. For business casual, jewelry should be understated. Simple earrings, a modest necklace, or a single bracelet can add sophistication without overpowering the look. Avoid loud or flashy pieces. Scarves. In cooler weather, a simple scarf can add texture and color to your outfit. Choose solid colors or subtle patterns that complement your look without distracting from it. Think of layering and accessorizing like seasoning a dish. Too little seasoning and the dish might taste bland. Too much and the flavors become overpowering. The right amount brings out the best in a meal without overshadowing it. Similarly, layering and accessories should enhance your outfit subtly, adding interest and style without taking over the whole look. The right layers and accessories make your business casual outfit look complete and well thought out. When combining layers and accessories, balance is key. If you're wearing a layered look, keep accessories minimal to avoid a cluttered appearance. On the other hand, a simpler outfit might benefit from one or two well-chosen accessories to add a focal point. For example, if you're wearing a blazer and a button-down shirt, a classic watch and a belt might be all you need to complete the look. Go through your accessories and choose two or three that would work well with business casual outfits. Test them with different outfits to see how they enhance your style. Alright, now let's discuss. What's your go-to layering piece or accessory? How does it change the look of your outfit? And what would you recommend to others? Share your thoughts in the comment section. To sum up, layering adds depth and accessories add personality. Both can enhance your professional look without overwhelming it. That was all about this lecture in which we covered how layering and accessories can elevate your business casual wardrobe. Let's wind up this lecture here with a reminder that more is about to come in the succeeding lectures. See you then.